Aloe is mostly grown in dry parts of Africa, Asia, Europe, and the United States. It is now grown commercially in the US, Japan, the Caribbean, and the Mediterranean. This is because it has a lot of medical uses. But in many places, you can grow your own aloe vera plant in a pot as a houseplant and it will do fine. Aloe is a lily, even though it looks like a cactus. Asparagus, onions, leeks, and garlic are also in the lily family. There are more than 30 enzymes in the aloe plant, including lipase and oxidase. It could be said that enzymes are what's missing from the modern diet since 40% of adults have digestive problems and enzymes are what make digestion work. Aloe vera also has a lot of salicylic acids, which are the active ingredient in aspirin. This is one reason why the herb can help relieve pain. When a gel or cream is too painful to put on, some people swear by a burst of aloe spray. Salicylic acid is also a part of aloe's ability to clean cells and get rid of toxins. Aloe's ability to boost the immune system has been studied and found to be one of its most important qualities. Others have said that drinking aloe juice every day helps clear up sensitive skin. Aloe is well known for being a soothing ingredient in lotions and other products for the skin and body. Studies on every continent show that aloe vera is good for your health, both when you eat it and when you put it on your skin. Aloe's reputation as a natural, healthy wonder herb is well deserved. Thanks for tuning in to our video on the many benefits of aloe vera for the skin. We hope you learned something new and are inspired to start incorporating this versatile plant into your skincare routine. From soothing sunburns and reducing inflammation to hydrating and rejuvenating the skin, aloe vera is a true powerhouse ingredient. Before you go, be sure to check out our other videos on natural beauty and skincare. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to take care of your skin the natural way. Thanks for watching. Keep your skin healthy and radiant with the help of aloe vera.